Hello everyone, myself Riya and I welcome you to my channel Becoming Beautiful, where I will be sharing stuffs like makeup tutorials, skincare, hair care, fashion tips, hacks, beauty and vlogging. It will be a wonderful journey and I will love if you guys be a part of it. Here is my first video, so show some love and watch the video till the end, and if you like it then don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. And now, without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So today you might have got the idea from the thumbnail that what the video is all about. Today we'll be sharing my honest everyday go-to makeup look. Before using any makeup product, the very important thing which I always do is just sanitize my hand, because if you do your makeup with dirty hands, you will always get a lot of pimples. So before doing that, always sanitize. Right now I have applied nothing on my face. There is no makeup products, and just now I washed my face, and after washing, every time the very first product which I use on my face is this toner. It is from Lotus and I have been using it since a longer time now, and as my skin is a dry skin, so this one works best for it. You just need to spray it like this, leave it for a while and then just pat it in. So the next thing which I will be doing is moisturizing my skin. I am using Biotique's moisturizer. It is for all skin types. As my skin is a bit dry, so this is a bit oily moisturizer, so I always prefer using this before doing my makeup. So I will take a small amount of it. I will just apply all over my face. And never forget your neck area. I have applied the moisturizer very well on my skin, and after moisturizing, the next thing which I will be using is this primer. It is from Blue Heaven. I generally skip it, but nowadays I am bringing it back in my routine because it really makes your skin very smooth and it fades all the pores from your skin. So never miss it. Always apply it. Just after primer, I will be applying this highlighter. It is a liquid highlighter. I love applying it. I'll just blend it. And then I will be finally using my foundation. It is Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. I am using shade number 228 Soft Tan. Always shake the bottle well before using it. Then just take a small amount of it. Never apply a lot of foundation. Apply a small amount of it so that it looks natural always. I just take it and I just apply it this way. I am using this beauty blender to apply my foundation because I think that beauty blenders blend it really well. You can use anything else you want. So now I have applied my foundation, and now I will work on darker parts of my face. I will conceal it. So I conceal the under eye area, nose, chin, eyelids. That's it. I know I'm haunting you, but sorry for that. Just after concealing my face, I am using this compact powder. It is also from Maybelline Fit Me. So after this, I will be making my eyebrows. I never miss my eyebrow part because as you can see, I have a very less hairs on my eyebrows, so I just can't miss it. As I don't have mirror over here, so I will use my compact powders mirror. The same I will be doing on my next eyebrow, and we'll meet after doing this. So I'm done with my eyebrows. Now we'll apply some eyeshadows. I will go with the shimmer one today. So I'm done with my eyeshadows. Now I will be using this curler to curl my lashes, and after curling my lashes I use mascara. So first I will be curling my lashes. I don't use liner in my daily routine because I'm a very lazy person and liner is our toughest job. Being a girl, we know it very well. So after this, I will be applying mascara. I have no mirror over here, so I am doing the entire makeup without using the mirror. Time to get some blush. So now I will be smiling. Now my favorite part, and I know most of yours favorite part, highlighting. Highlighting my beauty bone. That's it. Highlighting is done, and the last but not the least step, my favorite. I prefer contouring my lips every time before I apply a lipstick. And after that, I am using this Color Essence lipstick. It is shade number 75 Forever Rose. Is one of my favorite shade, and I'm just obsessed with this, and I use this shade in my everyday's routine, so just loving it. And yeah, one last thing I will applying is this makeup fixer. I will just apply this to make all the makeup fix at its place. And that's it. Just put the makeup and some jewelries and I'm good to go. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, एंड अब हम ऐसे ही मिलते रहेंगे न्यू टॉपिक्स के साथ एंड बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस के साथ. एंड अब अगर वीडियो के एंड आ ही गए हो तो देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर. डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर द नोटिफिकेशन एंड बी द फर्स्ट वन टू वॉच माई वीडियोज. बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे.